Hello guys, and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to add filters to videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. To get started, I just added a clip to my timeline that I would like to add a filter to. Let's begin by going over to our effects panel over here. In here we are going to see the Lumetri presets folder. Let's begin by opening this folder. Now there are 5 broad categories for filters. I'm going to start with the cinematic ones. When you select each filter, you get a little preview that is highlighted on the gray side. To see how it works on your footage, just select and drag the filter onto your footage on the timeline. And you can see the effect that has been applied over here. And if you don't like how it looks, just hit Ctrl Z on your keyboard to reverse that effect. Then just add another filter until you find something you like. And back to the other categories, you can also try the monochrome, which is also good for black and white. Ctrl Z to go back. Also, you can select with the speed locks the kind of camera you are using. For example, under cameras here, we have the Arri Alexas, we have the Blackmagic cinema cameras, we have the Canon cameras. You can see Canon 5D, 7D. We have a lot of cameras here. We have settings for GoPro, for Nikon, and for the Red cameras. You can also decide to select technical and just try any of them to see what they look like. Another thing you can do apart from just adding these filters is that you can come over to your effects control over here and you can play around with their settings. For example, under the basic selection here, you can change the exposure of light and you can reduce it. You can increase the contrast, reduce that back. You can increase the highlights. You can mess with the shadow, white, black, temperature, and all of that. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.